Hey, I'm Jana at Phocas. Are you concerned that potential risks are turning into real problems because you're unable to get clear visibility of your financials? And when you do spot an issue, are your investigations generating more questions than answers? Let's take a look at how Phocas can help. Using Phocas financial statements, I'm going to show you how having a clear, consolidated view of your finances makes it much easier to spot potential risk. And when you can quickly drill into your data, it's easy to get to the bottom of the underlying problem. This consolidated view of my profit and loss statement makes it really easy for me to see that there's an issue with other cost of goods. When I expand this line, I can see that we're paying out more in rebates than we did in the previous period. This could be a problem, so I'm going to do some quick investigations. Here, I can see that total revenue is up, but gross profit margin, even though it's small, is going backwards and is slightly down. I need to see what's going on, so I'm going to drill into the data to uncover where this is happening and why. I'll add my subsidiaries to the levels so I can break this down in one view. With this visibility, I can quickly identify two problems. One, the Australian trading subsidiary is giving away a lot more rebates than in the previous period. And two, the holding company looks like it's giving away rebates. They don't trade to customers, so this looks like a miscoding issue. The beauty here is that I can delve even deeper into the data, right down to the individual rebate transactions. And here we have it. There is one rebate transaction to Redwood Business Connections. Now that I have this information, I can liaise with the relevant people to prevent this from recurring. With the AU Trading Company, I can repeat the same process to uncover why our rebates are so high. There might be customers who we are over-incentivizing, but I don't have to assume because I can easily access the underlying data. Looking at this list, I can see that there might be over-incentivizing occurring for customers such as Central Enterprise Logistics. I can also see where rebates have been given when there is no customer identified. Once again, the data has now provided me with the information I need to begin conversations around these issues. And that's how, with a few minutes of your time and a couple of clicks in Phocas, you can uncover potential risk and have the information you need to address it. Get a demo today and let us personally show you what Phocas can do for your business.